Hi friends, it's Miss Mahan. Today we're on Unit 9, Lesson 8, and we're going to be learning all about time equivalents. So we're going to be talking about calculating time equivalents when we're given one, converting that into another. So for your notes, we're going to start with some equivalencies. So the first one is 1 minute, and we're going to put minute as M-I-N. as the abbreviation. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And our abbreviation for seconds is going to be SEC. Our next one, 1 hour. And our abbreviation for that is just going to be the letter H, is equal to 60 minutes. Again, put your abbreviation MIN. Next, 1 day. Our abbreviation will be the letter D, is equal to 24 hours. We have 3 more. The next one is 1 week. That abbreviation is WK, is equal to 7 days. One year. That abbreviation is YR, is equal to 12 months. Our abbreviation for month will be MO. And then we have another for 1 year. It is also equivalent to 52 weeks. So using these time equivalencies, we're going to go from one to another. So to start on number 1, we're going from 6 hours to blank minutes. So the first thing we have to do is go from hour to minute. So right here we have hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 6 hours, we'll do 6 times 60. And that is 360. So you'll write that on the line. Number 2, we're going from 4 weeks and we're calculating hours. So we need to go week to day, and then from day to hour. So some of these will be multi-steps and some will just be 1 step. For this number 2, we have 2 steps. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll do 4 weeks is how many days. So we'll do 4 times 7. That's 28 days. Now to go from days to hours, we need to calculate this number 28 that we have, the number of days, times 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Remember, when you are doing 2-digit by 2-digit addition and you go to the second digit, you put a 0 as a placeholder. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now we'll add those together, and I'm going to add it next to it right here. So 2, 7, 6. So my answer is 4 weeks is equal to 672 hours. Next, we're going from minutes to seconds, and we can just go directly from minutes to seconds. So this will be 1 step. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, so 10 minutes, we'll times it by 60, and that is 600. Number 4, we're going from week to day. That one we can just do one step directly from week to day. There are 7 days in 1 week, so for 8 weeks, we'll times that by 7. 8 times 7 equals 56, so 8 weeks is 56 days. Number 5, 5 days equals blank hours. This one is another one step. We can just go directly from days to hours. So 1 day is 24 hours, so we'll multiply that times 5. I'm going to make my equation vertical. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So 5 days equals 120 hours. And number 6, we're going from days to hours. Then we're going from hours to minutes. And finally, our last step is minutes to seconds. So this one will require a lot of math, but it won't be too hard. So 2 days is how many hours? So we'll do 2 times 24 to figure that out. That equals 48. So we have 48 hours, and there's 60 minutes in an hour. So we're going to do 48 times 60. 0 times 8 and 0 times 4 is 0. I'm going to my 6 place value, so I'm going to put a 0 as a placeholder. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Now we'll add those together. And we have another step to find out how many seconds is in 2,880 minutes. So this is going to be quite a big number because we're multiplying it by 60. Zero times all these 4 numbers is 0. Now I'm on my 6, so I'm going to put 0 as my placeholder in the ones place. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48 again, plus 4 is 52. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Now we add those together. To put your comma, it's 3 place values over. So 2 days is equal to 172,800 seconds. 172,800 seconds. Okay, so that is all for the examples that I'll go over. Some of your practice will be multi-step, like the one I just did, and some will be single step, like some of the others I did. Make sure that you write these notes somewhere so that you know what you're supposed to multiply by. Good luck!